Today, I'm gonna share to you my insights and perspectives about the anti-terrorism law of the Philippines. On July 3, 2020, President Rodrigo Duterte has signed the Republic Act No. 11479, also known as the Anti-Terrorism Law. The law, which came effect on July 18, has been subjected to impassioned criticism. First thing to know is this: the law broadly expands the definition of a terror act. The repealed law, the Human Security Act of 2007, has only one definition of terrorism, creating a condition of widespread and extraordinary fear and panic. In the other law, under Section 4, terrorism has 6 definitions. The first definition is intimidate the general public. The second definition, spread message of fear. Third definition, provoke or influence by intimidation of the government. Fourth, seriously destabilize or destroy the fundamental political, economic, or social structure of the country. Fifth definition is create a public emergency. And the last definition is seriously undermine public safety. This law doomed the whole world, triggered the nation, and some were exalted. Opinions were out of control. There's chaos and toxicity in social media. For once, Philippines went trending.
Basically, the anti-terrorism law is a Philippine law whose intent is to prevent, prohibit, and penalize terrorism in the Philippines. As for me, this law is somehow beneficial but worrisome, where it can unleash the country through eradicating the presence of terrorists, but human rights can be questioned. Human rights is limited because of the law, for it disrupts right to privacy, rights to habeas corpus, against arbitrary detention, and against warrants and arrest. Terrorism can take place anytime. It can oppose the Constitution by these two factors: free speech and Article 3, Section 1, which states that no person shall be deprived of life, liberty, and property without due process of law. Let's talk about the first issue. First, free speech. All of things we write, say, and do, even emblems, postcards, and speeches can be subjected for being a terrorist. Once you've been tagged as such, there without any judicial intervention, you can labeled as terrorist. So the case would be like this: before you write, you don't even know if what you wrote will be considered against a government. If you say that it will or platform to seek for good governance, but then again the ATC could misinterpret it, therefore it will trigger you to stop already, making you shut and silenced about a certain circumstances. Second, warrantless arrest. You can see this provision in Section 29 of the newly enacted law. Under the Constitution, officers of the law can arrest someone through warrant of arrest issued by a judge, or in case of warrantless arrest, under 3 circumstances. First, when a person is caught on act. Second, the person is in hot pursuit. And third, if the person is in escapee. It makes the anti-terror law problematic because it opposes the Constitution by having warrantless arrest that is not under the 3 circumstances. It is not about the detention aspect because there is a process that aligned to a detention that is constitutional, but the arrest itself is somehow worrisome for me. The law did not provide for the required amount of proof that the ATC should have before considered you as a suspect, neither any procedure laid out. What I am trying to say is the law is too broad, and that's what makes it worrisome. I am not against the law, but I am just concerned to those people who will be tagged as so-called terrorists due to its huge perspective of the law. If and only if they put limitations and procedural process that may consider validity to the ATC or the Anti-Terrorism Council, it can provide Constitution's sanity. If I were to give suggestion for the betterment of the law, it will be better if they pull off the power to arrest suspects and have a direct and comprehensive definition of what so-called suspect. This is just my view of the law. So, it may not be applicable to others' idealisms. Of course, I am for a safe country. Thank you.